Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be fishing with this $20 pocket combo from Walmart. So the other day I was shopping at Walmart, and you know, just like any other person, I went through the fishing aisle and I came across this thing right here. This is probably the smallest fishing combo I've ever seen. This thing could literally fit in my pocket. Like, come on. And it was only $20. So today we're gonna see if this $20 pocket combo can catch some fish. Alright guys, so this pocket combo is pretty cool. This thing is very tiny. It comes with 3-pound line and a 2.51 gear ratio. That's pretty cool. It's also a spin caster. You know how horrible these spin casters are. There's no fishing guides on it. It goes straight through this rod, I'm assuming, and it extends, which is pretty cool. For $20, that's not so bad. Let's see if this little pocket combo can't catch any crappie today. Alright guys, let's see how far I could cast this thing. Well, that's not very far. It's not easy to cast this. It's such a slow gear ratio, I really have to work it. Such a small rod, it's awkward. It's very hard to cast too. That's as far as I could cast. This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. Ooh, that was a pretty good cast right there. That was a pretty good cast. I think I put on the wrong bait for this little rod. I put on a little swim bait, and I really have to reel it in quick to have this swim bait have some action. Fish on. No way. First fish on the $20, and it's a pretty decent crappie. No way. First fish. There's no way. Check that out. It only took me like 10 to 15 minutes to catch my first fish on this. It's a pretty decent little crappie too. That was pretty awesome. First fish of the day on the $20 pocket combo from Walmart. That's pretty cool. Might have to keep this crappie. Catch and cook, boys. Thumbnail. Oh, come on, bro. As soon as I get unsnagged, I get snagged somewhere else. Why would you cast there? Get out of here, bro.
My fish.
I have a fish. What the heck?
You have a worm out.
Wow, I'm snagged. What? Hold up. Please don't come off.
Slow down.
Hold up. There's no way. Let's go. What? I caught a fish while I'm snagged. What the heck?
Another one with it.
Oh, now I'm stuck in these branches. Hold up. You got one? Oh, you got a bowfin. What the heck? He doubled up. This guy. I'm surprised I caught this fish.
Not what we're after.
This is the second fish of the day on the pocket combo right here. Let's go. Look at that. It's not a crappie, but it's a warmouth. That's fish number 2. Let's go. Got it out. They have a fish. Thought I was stuck on the grass. Yeah, it's a smaller one. It's a smaller one. That's not a keeper. Smaller crappie. Hey, that's fish number 3. Fish number 3 on the pocket combo. You don't even feel them bite. Look at that. Fish number 3. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one back. Fish number 3 right there, son. No, I'm not giving up on this. Get the net, get the net, get the net. I see the line, I see the line. A line, I see the line. Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna grab it by the line. Oh my god, dude. I knew I was gonna drop it.
Dude, that thing has no grip.
Yeah. Oh, I think I have the spool open. Crap. Stop. Yep, because I'm putting a lot of line out. Yep. Yeah. I am totally fucked. The spool's open. I got it. I feel it.
Careful, don't try to break it.
Let's go. Let's go. I think that's all the line. Yep. I dropped the rod and I managed to save it. Let's fucking go. Holy shit. This is no joke. It's not reeling it in. What happened?
This is what makes me fall. Try to save it with the net. Try to grab the net.
It's not reeling in. What happened there? Did I break it? Put some tension on this.
Do we have like a
Just slightly tension, slight tension.
reverse switch?
No. There you go. See, I have some tension on it. Oh, that's not good. Nope. No, stop.
It's good, it's good.
There's no way I recovered this thing. Luckily, I got snagged on a tree. That's what stopped.
Oh, not.
Whatever.
Boy, come on.
That's what made me recover this thing. I grabbed it by the line. If it wasn't for me getting
You
snagged.
gotta put some kind of lanyard on that thing.
No, whatever. I'm almost done. Dude, that was so close. Oh my god, this thing could have been gone forever. I dropped this thing in the water, bro. You can't be serious. I don't even know where my jig's at. Where the hell is my jig? Oh, it's over here. Oh no. Huh? The guide came off? The one that you glued?
It broke off, I don't know how.
Save it.
Frick me.
Let's go. Oh, I'm stretched out. Oof, that was a close call. This rod doesn't understand how lucky it is. Covered in mud too. It's gross. I got a fish. See it running? Thought I got snagged. What is this thing? It's a giant crappie. It's like a freaking bowfin. Get out of here.
You ain't got any time to.
I thought it was a giant crappie. What the heck? Come on, buddy. Give it up. Thought it was a giant crappie. Well, that's fish number 4 on the pocket combo. Not a crappie, but I'll take it. And there it goes. That was fish number 4. This thing catches some fish, I'll tell you what. For 20 bucks. Fish on, baby. The hell? That thing jumped all weird.
Is there a crappie?
No, I think it's a warmouth. Look how he's jumping. Wait, it's just a bluegill.
What the heck?
Oh, that's why I hooked him in the face. I was like, he's jumping weird.
That's a weird looking hybrid.
Like, what the heck? I hooked him in the face, that's why. What the heck? That's fish number 5 on the pocket combo. That's weird. Alright, buddy. I got the hook out of you. Relax. Buddy, it's not a crappie, so we're not going to keep it. Alright. Fish number 5. Fish on, baby. Fish on. What do I have? What the hell do I have? Another damn bluegill.
Oh, that's a warm-up. That one's an actual warm-up.
I can't even fight the fish because this gear ratio on this reel, my goodness, it's so slow. Got another one. Oh yeah, he's like good, baby. This is a warmouth. That's fish number 6. I believe.
Something like that.
Fish number 6. Sheesh. This rod right here is a fish catching machine. There she goes. Fish on, baby. Fish on. It's a crappie too. It's a nice one. Oh yeah. Let me just flip them. Flip or die, boys. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's a nice crappie. Woo! Look at that. Almost down the gullet. Yes, sir. Right before we're about to leave too. That's fish number 7 on the pocket combo. Man. That is just, that's pretty sweet. I'll measure him anyways. Ooh, he came off like nothing. Alright, buddy. Relax. Good thing the color's coming off of him. Oh, he's just filthy.
Don't break like that.
That's a 12-incher. 12-incher. Yep, 12-incher. That's a nice crappie right there, son. She thick too. All right. Alright guys, so this pocket combo right here did the trick today. Got a bunch of fish on it, multi-species as well. Got a bunch of crappie, brim, and some bowfin. Did pretty good. For $20, this was pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. More surprised I didn't get snagged first. We're catching a fish. All right, when I said that.
Karma
Come
right
on,
there.
bro.
That's what you get.
For what?
For saying you're not getting snagged, then you get snagged. And for catching the first fish.
Oh, come on, I think I'm good. Too good at this.